Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great, you are all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So if you guys are looking for summer fragrances, if you want that refreshing blue citrusy fragrances for your summers, but you also want them to be long lasting and you also want them to be projecting really well, then you are at the right place, because in this video I'm going to review not one but two latest releases from the house of Paris Corner. Yes, these fragrances are blue, aquatic and citrusy. They are refreshing, but at the same time they are very long lasting and they project like a beast. And here I'm talking about their newly released Zodiac lineup. So the first one we got here is Zodiac, or you can say Zodiac Gray, and the other one we got here is Zodiac Stratos, or you can say Zodiac Blue. So these are the two fragrances which I'm going to review in this video. So stay tuned to find out that how these fragrances actually smell. But one thing is for sure, that both of these are really beast performers. So let's start the review, and as always we will start with the presentation first. So let me show you the boxes here. So you will get these fragrances in these boxes. You can see the design pattern, the color of the box, you can see the name of the collection, Zodiac, and then here in the back you will find all the ingredient details, the logo of Paris Corner, and then here in the bottom you will find your barcode and manufacturing date, the logo of Paris Corner on the top, and you can see this snake kind of pattern here on the box on the top area. So now let me show you the other box. The design pattern is similar, but here the combination is blue and gold and it looks gorgeous. Once again, that snake skin type of texture here, and the name of the line Zodiac, the name of the perfume Stratos, some ingredient details in the back, logo of Paris Corner on the top, batch code, etc. in the bottom. So these are the boxes, and now let me show you the bottles, and bottles are really stunning. So here you go. As you can see, both of these bottles are really good. You can see the design, the build is really amazing, the finishing is top notch. You can see the design, the quality, everything is great here. You can see the shape of the bottle here, the name of the line Zodiac Gray. Here you can see this black part, and then you can see the cap here with the logo of Paris Corner, and once again the cap is made of metal and it's very heavy. You can see the finishing here, and black atomizer. So overall design and build is really great. So this is the gray one, and now let me show you the blue one. So here you go. The combination here is blue and gold. You can see how gorgeous it looks, and once again the logo of Paris Corner on the top of the cap once again is made of metal and it's pretty heavy, and the golden atomizer, very satisfying click sound. Here you go. So this is the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrances. So let's start our review, and I would like to start with the blue one first, with Zodiac Stratos first. So let me tell you that this is a beautiful alternative of YSL Elixir, but with a twist, and I'm going to tell you what the twist here in the end of my description of the fragrance. Though I have to start with the gray one first because this is the first in the lineup, but I'm going to keep it for later, and I would like to start with the blue one, Zodiac Stratos. So let me give you the official notes breakdown of this perfume, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So as per Paris Corner's Instagram page, here in the top you will get aldehydes, bergamot, ginger and grapefruit, and then in the heart you will get amber, cashmere, lavender and leather, and then in the base you will get moss, musk, patchouli and sandalwood. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now I will try to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, this one smells really stunning. Just wow. This is more citrusy as compared to the original YSL Elixir, and this is less sweet. So more citrusy and less sweetness as compared to the original, and this is the main twist, I think. And even in the dry down, this is a little bit more woody and more leathery as compared to the original YSL Elixir. So now let me tell you that how this perfume actually opens up. So here this one opens with a burst of citruses. You will get a lot of bergamot and grapefruit. Grapefruit is more prominent here, and then you will get ginger, that spiciness of ginger, and then you will get lavenders here, and then there is very soft undertones of sandalwood and some sweetness of tonka beans. So this is how this perfume actually opens, and definitely you will also get some aldehydes here, which gives it that ozonic kind of feel. So overall, very refreshing, very blue, citrusy, and amazing opening. And after that, towards the dry down, it becomes a little bit more woody. The woody factor starts to come in, it becomes a little bit more musky, and then in the final dry down, this one becomes like a little bit more leathery, more woody, and you can see more serious kind of scent. So the whole journey is really amazing. Opens up with a lot of citruses, and then it turns towards that woody, musky, and leathery dry down. So this is about the fragrance. Smells really good, top notch. And for the quality, this one smells really nice. The blending and quality is really great here. And now let's talk about the best part of this perfume, the performance. So performance wise, this one is rocking. 7 to 8 sprays, and it will be rocking for the whole day. So projection and sillage and lasting is great here. For the gender, it's some masculine scent. For the age, no barrier at all. And for the season or weather, you can use this perfume all year round, but for the best experience, use this perfume in summers when it's hot outside. And for the occasion, this is a very easy to go kind of scent. You can use this perfume in your office, you can use this in your parties, in your gym, your sports activities, in your school, college, wherever you want. A very versatile scent. You can use this perfume in any kind of scenario. And now let's talk about the price. The price of this perfume is just 85 UAE dirhams for 100 ml of this beautiful juice and with this beautiful presentation. So this was about Zodiac Stratos, and now let's talk about Zodiac, or you can say the Zodiac Gray. And this one is literally lit. This smells so damn good. I really like these kind of scent profiles. In short, this is citrusy and woody kind of scent. This is in short, and now I'm going to tell you that how this actually smells. So now let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I will try to tell you that how this perfume smells. So here in the top you'll get sparkling bergamot, juicy pear, and a hint of spicy ginger. So once again, ginger is there and bergamot is there. And then in the heart you will get orange blossom, jasmine, and some woody accords. And then in the base you will get vanilla, amber, and soft musk. So as you can see, this is citrusy, woody, and musky kind of scent, and this is exactly how this perfume actually smells. This one is amazing. This is fresh, oceanic, zingy, floral, and woody kind of concoction. This one opens with a lot of citrusy tones, so you will get bergamot and that orangish kind of vibe here. It's a little bit sweet in the opening, so you will get that sweet orange and bergamot kind of mix here. Definitely with white musk, some florals, and Ekigala wood. Yes, it's not mentioned in the notes breakdown here, but once I'm going to tell you the inspiration behind this perfume, you will know that why I'm saying that. So Ekigala wood is very prominent here, and that's what I like a lot about this perfume, because I love the note of Ekigala wood since it was introduced in Ganymede. Since that day, I start to love that woody note of Ekigala wood. So this is how this perfume opens. Yes, you will get some florals on the top, and then comes the main player of this perfume, and that is the molecule Ambrofix. Ambrofix is a molecule which is actually a combination of iso-E super and ambroxan. So you will get the goodiness of both iso-E super and ambroxan in Ambrofix. So Ambrofix is once again playing a magical role here. This is super fresh, very uplifting, very bright, very citrusy. You will get that oceanic kind of vibes here. Due to the use of ambergris, it's not mentioned in the notes breakdown once again, but yes, you can get that sweet, salty, oceanic kind of vibe here in this perfume. So this is how this perfume opens. Beautiful, fresh, and bright. Just to make you guys understand, you can imagine a fragrance with beautiful citruses, with Ekigala wood, with some florals, a touch of Bleu de Chanel, and a touch of Sauvage. So this is what you are going to get in this perfume. Just wow. And then towards the second phase, floral starts to dominate a little bit more than the other things. And then in the final dry down, it becomes dry, woody, musky kind of scent. Yes, all these citruses and that spiciness and ambergris kind of notes are going to stay with you from the start till end, but the end is a little bit dry, a little bit woody, a little bit sweet because of the use of vanilla here. So this is the journey of this perfume, a beautiful one. And now let me tell you about the inspiration behind this perfume. So this is a very good alternative of and very expensive perfume, and that perfume is Ex Nihilo's Blue Talisman. Yes, this is very similar. It's not the exact same copy, definitely. The depth is little bit missing here, but the price difference is huge. Once again, you're going to get this perfume in 85 bucks only, 85 UAE dirhams for 100 ml, and Ex Nihilo is, I think, around 700-800 plus, or maybe 1000 UAE dirhams. So the difference is huge, but the quality and the fragrance is really stunning. And once again, the best part of this perfume is performance. 6 to 8 sprays of this perfume on your fabric, and it's going to stay with you even till the next day. You will be able to smell that fragrance from your shirt even on the next day. So longevity superb, and projection and sillage is amazing. I have used this perfume in my office for like 2 to 3 times and got tons of compliments, both of these. And I think 2 or 3 colleagues of mine are keep asking me that when these fragrances will be available in the market and the way to buy these 2 fragrances, because they smell really good. Easy, simple, clean, citrusy, uplifting, bright, fresh, easy to go. Nothing complex. It's complex, but in a very simple way, yet beautiful fragrances. So this was about Zodiac Gray, a pure masculine scent, longevity amazing. For age, no barrier at all. Anyone can use it in any age. For the season, definitely summer, but you can also use this perfume all year round. But the best season will be summers. And for the occasion, once again, in your sports activities, in your office, in your gym, in parties, if you're going out, it's very easy to go type of scent. This was my review about these 2 beautiful perfumes from the house of Paris Corner. Trust me guys, if you are looking for something very long lasting, if you are looking for real performers, try these 2 and you will be loving them, and you are going to thank me later. So this was my review about Zodiac and Zodiac Stratos. I hope you like this review. Do let me know in the comment box if you have ever tried this perfume. I'm sure you haven't, because I got these bottles before the release. These bottles are with me from like last 2 to 3 weeks, or I think more than that. But unfortunately, there was an incident and I was not able to review them like 2 to 3 weeks back. But now I can tell you that these are really bangers. So I'm going to catch you in another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.